Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Wish you very happy Dasara to all Subveggie subscribers and viewers, and have a wonderful festival today. Now today we are going to learn Sindhi style mixed vegetable curry, a traditional curry, a simple delicious recipe for slow cooked 7 vegetable curry. It takes little time while you're preparing, but after you prepare the taste will be delicious and mouth watering, and everybody likes in the family. The festival is especially Sindhi people prepare this for Diwali. Now we will see ingredients required. We need 1½ bowl of mixed vegetables like French beans, carrot, cauliflower, peas and apple gourd. Apple gourd and new vegetables which I have introduced when I have going through this recipe. And we need potatoes 2 small, arbi that is colocasia 3, and boiled lotus root 5 to 6 1-inch thick pieces, and okra 5 to 6, handful of chopped spinach and handful of fresh fenugreek leaves, green coriander leaves 1 small cup, green chilies 2 to 3, 1 small onion. I'm taking here little onions for more paste, and a ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 heaped teaspoon, and a turmeric powder half teaspoon, tomatoes 2 large or simply grated these, and oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and basin, and salt to taste. Now I'll see directions how to prepare it. Firstly, rinse well all the vegetables. And then parboil cauliflower florets, chopped French beans, shell peas, skip boiling peas if you are using frozen ones, and a chopped carrot. And remember, don't cut the vegetables too small, and don't overboil it. Just drop the veggies in hot water, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and put off the gas. And then strain the vegetables. Reserve the water. Don't throw the water in which vegetables were boiled. Now peel and boil onion till transparent. I have taken so many small onions. Instead of it, you can take 1 or 2 onions. And now boil potato till just done, and dice into approximately 2-inch cubes. You can peel potatoes or use with the skin on. Now clean and boil lotus root. One more new vegetables for me, and it's available in markets. So peel the lotus root and then cut into round pieces and boil them. And boil arbi, that is colocasia, till just done, and peel, and cut each colocasia vertically in 2 pieces. Let this cool properly. And coat each piece of arbi with a mixture of rice flour and basin, and deep fry for few seconds till the flour layer forms a crispy covering. This is to get rid of slimy texture of colocasia. Now wash and pat dry okra, and then cut off the ends and slit in middle. Sprinkle little amount of salt and deep fry for a few seconds to get rid of its sliminess. Now mince boiled onion finely chop or process in food processor, and then spinach, methi and coriander leaves. Blend into green paste. Make a paste of green chilies, ginger and garlic into smooth paste and kept aside. So all vegetables are ready for preparing curry. Now we'll prepare curry, and take a thick bottomed pan or a handy or a pressure cooker and pour oil. Now add minced onion and sat till it comes to pink color. Then add chilies, ginger, garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder and coriander powder, and cook on high heat. This is where copious amount of oil will help you, or else sprinkle some drops of water, and then add the green mixture, that is coriander leaves, spinach and methi mixture, tomato puree, and sat on high heat till oil separates. And after that add all vegetables and mix very gently. Add one after one vegetables. Add some water, the one that you reserved after boiling vegetables, and let the mixture comes to a boil. Simmer and cook till the water is evaporated and the vegetable take up the flavor of spices. If you using pressure cooker, just close the lid of cooker and wait for one whistle. Switch off the gas and remove excess steam from cooker by holding the whistle up with a spoon or fork. And finally and optionally, you can add 1 tablespoon of Kitchen King garam masala powder to get a spicy flavor, or you can add little sugar if you like a sweetness in curry. Gujarati and Sindhi people like sweetness in curries actually. And now our special 7 vegetables mixed curry is ready. Serve and enjoy the flavor of all vegetables. It takes a little more time to prepare it, but if you observe, there is every vegetable have a very significant aspect in preparing this vegetable. Finally, after you prepare it, the taste will be very delicious and really traditional and a festival curry. So try it. I hope you like my video. Thank you all subscribers once again, and keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.